Now see here students, you people have to learn about the fractional index change. So the fractional index change delta is the ratio of refractive index of the difference between the core and cladding to the refractive index of core of an optical fiber. So it is given that delta is equal to n1 minus n2 divided by n1 here. Next, see what is the relation between your numerical aperture and that fractional index change. For that you have to consider, that is from the equation 3 here, you have to write n1 minus n2 is equal to n1 delta, and numerical aperture is equal to, already you people know that is root of n1 square minus n2 square. So that is equal to root of n1 plus n2 into n1 minus of n2. So that is equal to root of n1 plus n2 into n1 delta. That is from equation 4 it is written here. So since here n1 is equal to n2, so n1 plus n2 is equal to 2n1. So we can write here numerical aperture is equal to root of 2n1 square delta. Therefore n1 numerical aperture is equal to n1 into root of 2 delta here. So here increase in the delta increases the numerical aperture and enhances the light gathering capacity of the optical fiber. So we cannot increase delta to a large value. It leads to the intermodal dispersion, which causes here signal distortion. Next, see modes of propagation here. In modes of propagation, see it is true that all the rays entering into the fiber with the angle of incident that is less than angle of acceptance will be trapped within the fiber. That is due to the total internal reflection here. But it is not true that all such rays propagate along the fiber here. So in reality what happens is only certain ray directions are allowed to propagate, and these allowed directions are called here modes. So mode, it is visualized as the possible number of paths of light in the optical fiber here. Next, see the number of modes supported for propagation in the fiber. It is determined by a parameter that is called as here V number. It is denoted as here V. So if the surrounding medium in the air that is considered here, then the V number it is given by, that is n0 is equal to 1 here. Therefore that is V is equal to pi d divided by here lambda, that is root of n1 square minus n2 square, where it is d, small d is considered as diameter of the core, and n1 is equal to refractive index of the core. Next n2 is equal to refractive index of cladding here, and lambda is equal to refractive index, lambda is equal to wavelength of light here. So V is equal to pi d divided by lambda, that is into numerical aperture. See here, if the fiber is surrounded by any other medium, that is see if the refractive index n0, then the expression it is represented as pi d divided by lambda into root of n1